Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's not just random. It's your body's way of saying, get out! When dust, pollen, or strong smells sneak into your nose, tiny hairs and nerves get irritated. That triggers your brain to activate a reflex. Inhale, boom! You sneeze! It's like an emergency air blast, shooting out particles at over 100 kilometers per hour to protect your lungs. Sometimes you even sneeze from bright light or after a big meal. Weird, right? That's your brain being extra sensitive. So next time you sneeze, don't just say bless me, say thanks body for the automatic cleaning system.